Okay, now we will calculate interest. This is simple interest. The amount of interest will always equal your principal, which is really what you put into the bank or what you borrow, times your rate, which will be an interest rate given to you as a percent, and we are looking for this interest in a dollar amount, times your time. Your time must be in years. To find the total amount you paid, for example, if you're borrowing, you will take the amount of interest. So this total amount is a dollar amount. You will take the amount of interest, which is also a dollar amount, and you're going to add that to your principal. So the interest is going to make your rate go up, or what you're going to pay in total go up. So for your notes, and feel free to pause this as you go so you can get all of this information in. Your notes, principal is the amount of the loan or deposit if you were putting money into a bank. The interest rate is the percent charged per year expressed as a percent. The amount of time must always be expressed in years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Example 4, calculate the amount of interest and the total amount paid for a loan that is $2,000 for 3 years at 4% annual interest. So your interest is going to equal that you're going to pay your principal, which is what the loan was, so $2,000, times your rate, which is 4%, times your time, which is 3 years. Now we want to convert this percent into a decimal. So you're going to say 2,000 times 4% is 4 divided by 100, which is 0.04 times 3. And I would go ahead and work that out on your calculator. And you will get $240. So your interest is $240 for a loan that's $2,000. So how much are you going to pay for the loan? You are going to pay your interest, which is $240 plus the amount of the loan. And this is going to be $2,240. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do these 4 examples to see how to apply percent in different scenarios, and this will kind of tie into the whole lesson. So number 1, Alicia purchases a 3-speed bike for $450. This is the original amount. If the sales tax is 8%, how much sales tax did she pay? Remember, your sales tax, like if you want to pay tax at a store, will always equal your rate, which is given to you as a percent, times the original price. So for number 1, the sales tax will equal the given rate of 8% times the original amount of the bike, which is $450. Convert the percent into a decimal, get rid of the percent by dividing by 100. 8 divided by 100 is 0.08 times 450. And you will get $36. So the tax on a bike that is $450 will be $36. Number 2 says, what was the total cost of the bike? The total will be what it originally was, which is $450, plus your tax, which is $36. So that is going to be $486. Number 3, James bought a washer and dryer combination for $1,100. He bought it on credit for 1 year at 6% interest. Find the amount of interest that James will pay. So remember, the amount of interest will equal the principal, which is what it originally is, so $1,100, times your rate, which is your 6%, times how long, which is 1 year. Now we will convert the percent into a decimal. 6 divided by 100, which is 0.06. and then multiply 1100 times 0.06 times 1, and you will get $66. So in borrowing that washer combo, you will pay a $66 interest. And finally, it says find the total cost of the washer and dryer, including the interest. So the total will be the interest, which we found is $66 plus what it was originally, which is $1,100. And you are going to get $1,166.